Good afternoon, children. We have completed our syllabus, all the topics of the third term. Now, the topics that are included from first term and second term in your syllabus are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now, we will revise those four topics along with your final syllabus. So, today's topic we are going to revise is addition. Now, additions we have learned without carrying and with carrying. 2-digit number and 3-digit number, where we are adding in the tens and ones house, again in 100 tens and ones. So all together we are going to revise today. The first question that we are going to start, it is given 24 plus 33 plus 12. Now we can see three different numbers are given here. So first we can add these two first, and then we can add it with 4, or first we can start from 4 and then we can add 3 and then we can come down. So any way it is easier, you can do it. Now we are going from down. So after 2 we are going to count 3. 3, 4 and 5. After 5, that means here it is 5. Now after 5 we will count more 4. 6, 7, 8 and 9. That means here I am going to write 9. Now next, in the tens house, see 2 plus 3 plus 1. You can put here 2 addition sign also, no problem. Or you can add 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 is what? After 3 count 1, that is 4. And after 4 again count 2, that is 5 and 6. So it will be 6. Now, so the answer will become 69. Let us go to the next question. 71 plus 7. Now after 7 count 1, that is after 71. After 7, 1 is 8. So we are going to write here 8. And this 7 will come down, as because no number is there, so the answer will become 78. I have put arrow to make you understand. You will not put arrow, just I have given arrow to make you understand. Next one, 45 plus 45. Now see, after 5 you have to count more 5. That means 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means we will not write 2 digits. We are going to write here only 0 of 10 and 1 I am going to carry over in the tens house. So after 4 you have to count more 4. So after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then you count 1, that is 9. So the answer is 90. Next, 74 plus 9. It is also tens and ones, 2-digit number. We are adding 1 digit with 74. So after 9, you have to count 4. So 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So I am going to write here 13, 3 and 1 in hand. 1 will be added with 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 83. Now these all were of 2 digit, that means tens and ones place value. Now we will do the 100 tens and ones values questions. Now the first question is 28 plus 53. So after 3 you can count 8, or after 8 you can count 3, which is easier, you can do this one. So after 8 if you are counting 9, 10 and 11. So 11, 1 I am going to write here. I will carry here 1. So here if you are adding 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. But no hundreds house No number is there in hundreds column, so we are not going to write any number here. So nothing is there, 100 column is vacant. Next, 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6. So after 4 you count 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will write here 10, 0, and 1 will be carried over in the 10th house. So you have to add 6 plus 5 and 1 is carried over. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 and 1 in hand, that means 12. So we are going to write here 12, 2 and 1 will be carried in the hundreds house. See, in hundreds house no number is there. So that means this 1 will come down in the hundreds column. Did you understand, children? You will not put the arrow, you will bring down this 1 in the hundreds house. So these are the way to write down. Next one, 37 plus 87. Now after 7, you have to count more 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 14, I am going to write here 4 and 1 in hand. I am writing in the 10th house. Now after 8, you count 3, 9, 10, 11 and 1 in hand, that means 12. But we know that 1 digit in one box, so I will write here 2 and 1 will be carried over in the hundreds house. Now no digit is there in hundreds house, so I am going to bring down 1 in the hundreds house. Now the next question, 20 plus 50 plus 84. Now see, both are 0, 0 has no value, and 4. So only 4 will come down. And now we have to count the 10th house. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And after 13, you have to count more to 14, 15. So I will write there 5 and 1 will be carried in the hundreds house. Now this one will come down and it will become 154. Now we will practice more sums like this. So let us practice here. 75, suppose plus 75. Again H2O, 50 plus 50. Now see, 5 plus 5 is what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to write as 0. 1 is carried over in the 10th house. 7, after 7 count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 1 in hand, it will become 15. So 5 I am going to write here and 1 in hand, this one will come down. So the answer will become 150. Now here 0 means nothing. So I will bring down 0 here. Now here after 5 you have to count more 5. That means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am going to write here 10, 0 and 1 will be carried over in the hundreds house and nothing is there in the hundreds house, so that 1 will come down. Now one more 3 digit sums, let us practice. 28, 37, 10. Now after 8 you have to count 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I am going to write here 15, 5. 1 in hand. So after 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 in hand, 6. And 1 carried over, 7. So the answer will become 75. So children, please practice this type of sums at home so that it will become easier for you to do in the exam. Thank you.